Sir, what are your development? I mean, what are your plans now? Recent plans for the like monsoon is coming up very soon. Aldona has many problems. How do you plan on tackling this?
In fact, I already had a review meeting with the electricity department officials because I felt that these are always the areas where we have power failures. I can't assure that we may not have blackouts this time because time is too short. But whatever pre-monsoon works are required, I told them, please go ahead, execute it, don't waste time, because I don't want, for stupid reasons, we should have power failures. Major faults I can understand, major somewhere lightning strikes I can understand, but I don't want every time feeder fault is what we keep hearing, or a breeze comes and we have no electricity. One small shower, again there's no electricity. We need to make sure that we have continuous electric supply. So that is the first thing which I have taken. And you would know also that we are doing up that Mapsa river cleaning, because I'm also going to request the departments, they are also cooperating with me. So we need to make sure that the rivers are not choked and it doesn't cause flooding. Wherever also quickly ponds have to be cleaned, I will get those ponds also cleaned, so that you know that we don't have problems, and after the monsoons people will have good this thing for agriculture. These are the basic priorities which we need to do. Other thing which I spoke after the assembly session was over, I did go and meet the chief minister in the assembly itself, and I told him that I am coming to meet him in connection with the Aldona market, and he knew about the problem, and he said please come. He gave me his number, personal number, on which I will definitely contact him. So I intend next week, I'm opening my office tomorrow, but I intend next week to call for a meeting of all the stakeholders for working out on the Aldona market, which is close to my heart, to make sure that we can resolve this issue, long pending issue, and to the satisfaction of each and every one.
So one more thing, Aldona has been a peaceful place for many years. In the recent times, we've seen so many crimes taking place, like murders. How do you plan on tackling this?
As soon as I was elected, and even before I was elected, I said I want to Aldona constituency as a whole to be a model constituency. I want it to revive its glory to what it once was. On the day of my result, I made a clear, categorical statement. I will not tolerate Gundaism or Gundagiri. And I maintain this. I will not encourage any such kind of elements. I will make sure they are under watch. Such kind of high-handedness and attitudes will not be tolerated. I want peace in this place. There will be no support either to side A or to side B. And I will allow the police a free hand. And definitely, people are backing me on this. Many people have been happy that we are taking such positive steps to eradicate such kind of elements. And definitely, we will see a good path ahead. There are many people also, let me be honest, there are many children who have strayed on the wrong path. They are not criminals in the sense of the word. I will try to bring them into the correct path, because finally they are children of our villages. And it's not only for us, it's for our entire constituency and for Goa as a whole. I want them to be good citizens, and I want everyone to be happy in our constituency.
Yes.